Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this quick tutorial, I'm gonna show you guys that how to resolve iedkcs32.dll error on Windows 11 computer. So guys, these error notifications may appear while using or installing certain programs when Windows startup or even shuts down. Errors are caused by the situations that led to removal or corruption of this specific DLL. So let's go ahead, let's see how we can resolve this. I'm going to tell you the shortest method. So first of all, you have to open the browser and you have to type Wheel C++ redistributable for Windows for Wheel Studio 2019 and hit enter. Best result. The best result will be from the Microsoft website. Click on it. Once the website is open, scroll down. Here you will see Visual Studio 15, 17, 19 and 22. It's a combined package. Scroll down and download the file according to your system requirement. So mine is 64-bit. Click on it and wait for it while it's being downloaded. So our file is about to be downloaded. So once the file is downloaded, go to downloads. I will copy this file and paste it on the desktop. So click on it. Click to I agree to the license terms and condition. Click on install. Click yes if you see user account control prompt on your screen. So that specific DLL is embedded in this Microsoft package. So hopefully it should resolve your issue. So the setup is successful. After that, you need to restart your PC. So that specific DLL error iedkcs32.dll error should not be on your PC after restarting it. So this is the way, guys, how you can resolve it. So thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for further informative tutorials. Take care. Goodbye.